Hello everyone, Miss Chica here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about grammar. Before we proceed to the lesson, please if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click that like button and ring that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget to comment down below for suggestions of topic. So here are the following subtopics for today's video. First, I am going to give the definition of grammar and a poem regarding how you can remember the grammar or the English grammar to be specific. According to Norland N. 2016, the definition of grammar is: grammar refers to the way words are used, classified, and structured together to form coherent written or spoken communication. But what exactly is coherent? In my own viewpoint, coherent means putting words together to form a logical message. For instance, when I was young, my father used to ride a bull. Let's check if it is coherent. Yes, I have put words together to make a sentence. Does it already measure its coherence? Let's see about its meaning. When I was young, my father used to ride a bull. Does it make sense? Of course, because riding a bull is possible. Let's see the next example. I saw a cow flying over the moon. Is this sentence coherent? Let me know in the comments. Now, I will be presenting an old children's rhyme. This is about the English grammar, which is composed of 8 parts of speech. This will give you a hint what grammar is all about. Let's read, ponder, and remember. Every name is called a noun, as field and fountain, street and town. In place of noun, the pronoun stands, as he and she can clap their hands. The adjective describes a thing, as magic wand or bridal ring. Most verbs mean action, something done, to read and write, to jump and run. How things are done the adverbs tell, as quickly, slowly, badly, well. The preposition shows relation, as in the street or at the station. Conjunctions join in many ways: sentences, words, or phrase, and phrase. The interjection cries out, "Hid!" An exclamation point must follow me. So, how was it? Did you like the poem? I got it from the book of Seton A. and Mia Y.H. in 2007. I will be posting a separate video regarding the parts of speech and also the other parts of grammar. So, you have to stay tuned for the following. I will be creating a separate videos about the following: capital letter, nouns, pronouns, adjectives, and determiners. Also, verbs and tenses, subject-verb agreement, adverbs, and prepositions. Moreover, conjunctions, interjections, sentences, and punctuation will be also discussed. Particles, articles, determiners or possessive determiners, and gerunds will be also included for the other videos. The inflection, conjugation of tenses, aspect, and mood is also included. And for the last part, second to the last is voice, speech, declension, and syntax will be also part of the other videos, as well as the modifiers, phrases, and clauses. I will be ending this video with this poem. Every name is called a noun, as field and fountain, street and town. In place of noun, the pronoun stands, as he and she can clap their hands. The adjective describes a thing, as magic wand or bridal ring. Most verbs mean action, something done. To read and write, to jump and run. How things are done, the adverbs tell. As quickly, slowly, badly, well. The preposition shows relation, as in the street or at the station. Conjunctions join in many ways. Sentences, words, or phrase and phrase. The interjection cries out hid. An exclamation point must follow me. I'm really hoping that you like this poem. So as I. Goodbye for now and thank you for watching. That's all for today. Sayonara!